I'm Amy Schellekens from Gwendolyn, Sterk and the Family Law Group, and I'm here today with Carrie Provenzale from Turning Pointe Autism Foundation. Carrie, what is Turning Pointe?
Turning Pointe is a nonprofit located in Naperville serving families impacted by autism with two primary school programs.
And what are those two primary school programs?
First, we offer an ISBE certified therapeutic day school for junior high, high school, and transition age students. This is a comprehensive educational program for these students that includes meeting all their academic needs as well as their therapeutic needs like speech and occupational therapy, as well as we enjoy the involvement of many board certified behavior analysts to help us support students. We also have a career college, which is designed for adults living with autism, interested in learning employment skills and securing a job.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the day school. What does it mean to be ISBA certified?
So that is a process that we annually apply for with the state. It just means that we are sanctioned and governed by all of the rules of the State Board of Ed.
And how do students come to your school then?
They come to us really through the process in their school district with family and their clinicians in the school district and their educators. And when a student's needs can no longer be met in district, perhaps their needs have changed or evolved, and the district doesn't have the resources on site, they will refer families out to a day school like ours.
And what makes the school district refer to your specific program?
So our program offers, like I mentioned, all of those clinical specialties, and we also offer a one-to-one aid environment. So that means every student that is in our therapeutic day school has an aide with them throughout the day to really ensure that they are going to meet and exceed all of their IEP goals.
What characteristics for a student are you looking for when they're coming to your school?
So a student that would fit our environment, typically, it can really vary. So when we get a referral packet from a school district, our specialists review it as well as observe a student in their current environment and meet with families to make sure we're going to be a good fit. But most of the students in our day school are very limited verbally, so communication is a huge program outcome for us. We want to see all of our students make gains in their communication. We also want to work on independence skills, so these are students that need support in independence areas, hygiene, food preparation, as well as just organizing their day to move through their lessons. And we're also looking for students that are struggling with socially appropriate behaviors. So the typical behaviors you hear of when you hear of students that are impacted by autism, but really any behavior that's getting in the way of them making progress, we can help support them.
And is there a specific system that you use, like a theory of how to educate your students?
So we're a best practice organization, so we really don't use any interventions unless they are shown through empirical data, and our clinicians know that these interventions will work to support our students. But we organize all of our best practice interventions in something we call COPES. And it's just a way that we know that we are allowing students to access education. So C is for communication. We have a lot of focus, like I said, on communication. The O is for organization. P is for positive behavior supports, how we're supporting students when they're doing what they should be doing. E is to help students with escalation management, and S addresses their sensory needs. Our students have very diverse sensory needs. So COPES, COPES.
And do you work with any other schools in the area that have a similar concept?
We don't work specifically, but referrals come through and from different therapeutic day schools.
And if a family has any questions about your school, how could they get a hold of you?
They can look us up online, turningpointeautismfoundation.org, and they can certainly give us a call.
And Carrie, what's your specific role within the school?
I'm the executive director. I've been there just under 3 years, and prior to that, I served as a volunteer member of our board.
Well, it certainly sounds like your school is a great resource for our area, and we'd be happy to offer you any additional information about Carrie's school, about any other needs within the family law area. If you have any questions about Carrie's program, certainly contact Carrie, or any questions about the area of family law, you can visit us at sterkfamilylaw.com or give us a call at 815-600-8950. Thanks so much for being with us today, Carrie.
Thanks for having me.